Fellow citizens of planet Earth, we are under attack. Plastic waste is destroying the planet that we call home. It's polluting our oceans. It's killing our wildlife. It's devastating our ecosystems. It's sad. We often feel helpless because this seems bigger than us. But what if we could fight plastic waste with the power of a bottle? It's called REBO, and it's the first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink. One REBO drunk, one plastic bottle collected. As simple as that. REBO is a smart bottle equipped with a laser time-of-flight sensor and a Bluetooth transmitter that measures and sends the water you drink to the REBO app. The app captures the information and records it into the blockchain, transforming it into green credits that sponsor the collection of plastic bottles. Every minute, more than 1 million plastic bottles are consumed worldwide. Every time you choose to refill your REBO bottle, you're choosing not to generate more plastic waste. But most importantly, every time you drink from REBO, we will collect one plastic bottle polluting our environment. The REBO app will show you the plastic bottles that are being collected thanks to you. And there is more to REBO. It tracks the water you drink and builds a customized hydration plan according to your lifestyle. The bottle reminds you to stay hydrated by lighting up. It's equipped with a unique one-hand push cap and keeps your drinks cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 because it's made of the best stainless steel that we could find. Fellow citizens of planet Earth, we are running out of time. If we don't act now, by 2050, there will be more plastic than fish in our oceans. Today, you can help make REBO a reality and make a difference. If we join forces, we can and will win the battle against plastic waste. REBO, the first bottle that cleans the planet as you drink. Back us now. Join the revolution.